Hey guys, welcome to AppCode. In this video, we are going to continue IntelliJ Idea plugin development series. This is episode number 3. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. In this video, we are going to cover localization and code inspection by starting building plugin from scratch. So let's get started. Okay guys, so in this tutorial we are going to develop a plugin that indicate us if the Maven dependency has new updates, right? So if I hover over this dependency, we get the message dependency has new version, right? If I click alt insert, we get quick fix saying use newer version, right? So here we have 1.16, and if I press alt enter together and again enter use new version, it get updated to 1.21, right? So to this plugin to work, we need to have Maven repository updates, right? So for that one, we need to go build execution deployment Maven repositories, and here we have Maven Central. If you haven't updated it lately, please click update, then it get updated, so then we can work on our plugin. So this is the plugin we are going to develop, and I'll start working on that one, and you can work along with me, right? Okay guys, so here I'm in new skeleton plugin project. So I have named my plugin called Maven dependency updater, and here's the settings.gradle file, and we have build.gradle file updated, and then plugin.xml file updated with the relevant details, right? So in first episode of this series we did these things, and we showed how to run and debug the plugin, right? So in this plugin we need to use some dependency coming from the IntelliJ SDK itself to use some Maven stuff, right? For doing that, we need to add depends tag here. Depends, we need to put org.jetbrains.idea and then Maven, right? This is the dependency we need, right? And we need also need to that add to the add plugin to IntelliJ plugin section, right? So we can type plugins, and here we can type Maven, right? Now it should get resolved. Yes, right now it's get resolved, so we have added this one, so we can use Maven stuff inside our plugin. That's how you add IntelliJ DK plugins, which is comes as bundle plugin. We can use as this manner. Okay, so next thing in our agenda is to create some resource bundle to localization stuff, right? Basically you can have default one, then you can have English, German, or whatever the language you need to support in your plugin. And to do that, I'm going to source main resources folder, and I'm going to create a new file, basically properties file. I will call it Maven version inspection bundle dot properties, right? Okay, so now I have this properties file, which is we called in IntelliJ world as bundle, and we need to add that to plugin XML as well, right? So I'll put here dependencies for the references, right? And resource bundles, we have some tag called resource bundle, and if I press control space, it automatically identified we have this Maven version inspection bundle. right? So this is how we need to we have to add the resource bundle to the plugin. And let's create a bundle Java which process this file, and then we can use it in our application. Okay, to add bundle Java, the easiest way is to identify some bundle already exists in the SDK and use same kind of thing, basically altered copy. Uh, so there is something called Maven DOM bundle. If we open that file, it is in the as you see idea C community edition sources file, sources jar. So here we have the Maven DOM bundle, and basically what we need to update this Maven DOM bundle, which is point to that property file we created earlier, right? So what I am going to do now is just take a copy of this and go to Java package and create a package for our application. It is okay, see, and this is basically Maven dependency update. I mean, okay, more nice, right? Okay, now I have this package, so basically I'm gonna paste it by pressing Ctrl V. So we get a new class copied as Maven DOM bundle, right? So I'm gonna change this class name, Shift F6, right? You know already, right? Maven version inspection bundle. Okay, so now we have the bundle class, and we need to change this one. Basically if we press Control space, we get Maven version inspection bundle. So that's how you create a inspection bundle, or basically resource bundle. So you can have different messages on this one, and you may have Maven version inspection bundle underscore ENUS for the English, and so on, right? You can have different localization updates, changes, and you can reply it in the application. Okay, let's create a inspection class, and in that I'll show you how to use this message thing to use different localization, right? So basically if I talk about this bundle class, we have this message method. It's basically uses message common bundle message method, and we have get bundle method. There we basically use SDK classes to get this bundle, basically the file, and it creates a soft reference and dereference it as it needed, and it is managed by basically plugin runtime, so we don't have to worry about that one. Basically we need to use this message to pass our key to the to access the message here, right? So for the message I'll put something here, basically Maven version inspection dot has version update, right? So let's depend. Right. So this is the message we are gonna localize, and I have a typo here, so I'll fix that one. And here we have this thing. Now it's all done, right? Now we need to create inspection. To that one we need to create a new class, extends DOM element inspection. So it's very easy to find how to which class we need to extend by exploring the existing Maven inspection, right? So we have that one Maven inspection, right? If we press Ctrl N again, we have this different inspection going on inside the idea source, right? Here we have this inspection in the Maven jar. So we have Maven duplicate dependency inspection, Maven duplicate plugin dependency inspection. Several inspection are there, but there's no any version update one. So that's why I thought about creating this plugin, right? What we need to extend is DOM element inspection. This the DOM element inspection base class, right? So I'll copy that one, and basically I'll create a new class, Maven dependency version update inspection, right? And I have this one, and then we need to extend from this DOM element inspection, right? And Maven DOM project, right? Okay, now it's already done, and we need to it's complaining about default constructor, and we have this one. Now it's all done, and we can press Alt Enter again, and we can put register inspection, and magically it puts this one. And we need to provide some display name keys for this inspection in the plugin XML, right? So let's put those data into the this tag, right? First one is the short name. We can put it as Maven version update inspection, right? And then display name, Maven version update, right? And we can have group name. Basically these things are relevant to if you go to inspection in the settings tab. I can show you where these things going on, right? If I go to inspection, this is the basically groups we have, right? We need to put this in the Maven thing. So in Maven we have this duplicate dependencies, duplicate plugin. These are the dependencies we have. These are the inspection basically we have, and this is Maven version resolver, which is I created earlier, but let's put something else here. So Maven version updater, right? Okay, so group name should be the Maven, because we need to put it in the Maven area, Maven group. And enable by default, let's put it as true, because we can turn it off in the settings. And then language, we need to put XML there. And level, let's put it as warning. Otherwise it's get very annoying, right? So let's remove this extension. Let's put it as inspection, right? So basically this is the groundwork we need to do to register inspection. Now we have this inspection here. Okay, let's override the method we need to do the inspection, right? We can press Alt insert and override method, and the method we need to override is check file element, right? So here we need to use internal class again, which is called generate manage dependency action. Basically it is coming from the dependency generate action in the Maven POM file. So if I can show you, if I open a Maven project, in this one we can actually press alt insert, then we get a dependency tag. This is the action we are gonna use inside our plugin to generate, and also the search window. This is coming from the something called Maven search, and we are gonna use that class one also, that class for our applications. So if I search for .jmh dot, I don't remember the name actually, .openjdk, JMH core, yes. So we have these versions, right? Basically what we are going to use is we use these classes and search for this latest version, right? That's how it works. And here we can use that action, generate Maven, okay, generate manage dependency action, right? Collect managing dependencies. Okay, so we need to pass Maven DOM project model. We can do it by DOM file element accessing the get root element method, right? Okay, so we can introduce the variable and let's put it as dependency map. Okay, so I'll keep this super method for the moment. We'll change it later, right? So here I'll show you how to use that resource bundle, and I'll stop there, and we'll continue in the next episode with the implementation of the plugin, right? Because earlier video is too long. I think you guys might get annoyed by the length of the video, and this one will be shorter, and next one I'll continue with the actual implementation of the plugin. I'll put it in this one in GitHub also, right? So let's use that Maven inspection bundle and use message. We can use this key for accessing that one, right? And the key we put here, right? I'll copy it and can pass it here. And something, if you can actually pass parameters for the placeholders here, which is I don't have right now. And this is how you get the localized message from the bundle, right? Okay, so that is it, guys. Please do subscribe for the channel, and then you'll get notification about next video, right? Thank you for watching.